Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelation. So today I am here with a healthy chaat recipe made with sweet potatoes. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the recipe. To start with, I have taken here white peas or white mutton. You can see that I've already soaked this. This is how white peas looks like. I've soaked this for almost 8 to 9 hours. Next we need to cook the white peas. For that, add the soaked white peas into a pressure cooker. Add enough water, add some salt and turmeric powder, and then pressure cook for about 3 to 4 whistles. Next we will cook the sweet potatoes. For that, I've taken a kadai, add in some water, and we will steam cook the sweet potatoes. You can also use a steamer vessel or the idli vessel for steaming these sweet potatoes. I've taken 500 grams of sweet potatoes here. So I've cooked these sweet potatoes. I had cooked for about 10 minutes and I've peeled it. Now I'm going to mash them using a masher. Next to this, I'll be adding green chillies. This is very spicy, hence I've taken just half of the green chilli. Then I'll be adding 1 tablespoon grated ginger, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon dry mango powder or amchur powder. Finally, add chopped coriander leaves. Finally, mix them really well. Now, instead of sweet potatoes, you can also use potatoes here, but sweet potatoes increase the health quotient, which means there are complex carbohydrates in sweet potatoes which are essential for your body. It is also rich in vitamin A and potassium. Just one sweet potato gives you 400% of vitamin A you need each day. Now we're finished mashing the sweet potatoes really well. We'll form them into small balls and then roll out them into patties. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option so that you get updates as and when I post. Also, please do share your feedback in the comment section below and let me know if you want to learn more healthy recipes. So here I've rolled into a patty. Similarly, we'll roll out the remaining mixture into round shape. So with 500 grams of sweet potato, I've managed around 20 to 25 patties. So we'll keep this aside. Meanwhile, we'll check our white peas with how it has cooked. You can see it has perfectly cooked. This is the consistency. You should be able to mash it completely. Next, we need to temper the white peas. For that, I've taken a kadai. Into that, I've added 1 teaspoon of olive oil. To this, we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once they splutter, add in 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic and half tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. Salt them and add 1 onion finely chopped. Once onions turn translucent, add in half green chilli finely chopped, half a teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon roasted cumin powder and 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder. Saute this for about a minute or till the raw smell of the spices go away. Next, add 1 tomato finely chopped. Then cover and cook till the tomatoes turn mushy. Meanwhile, take a pan and add very little oil. Here I've used olive oil. Gently swirl the pan so that the oil coats the surface of the pan. Now place the tikkis and toast them on both the sides till they turn golden brown. Meanwhile, we'll check the tempering. We'll see whether the tomatoes have mashed really well or not. Then add the cooked white peas into this mixture. Also rinse the cooker with little bit of water and add that as well. Simultaneously check your tikkis. They will not take more than 1 to 2 minutes to get toasted on both the sides. Also keep on mixing this white peas gravy until it reaches the desired consistency. After about 5 minutes, once the gravy thickens, switch off the flame and allow it to cool down a bit. Now the plating of the snack is the most important and interesting part. Add in the white peas curry or the gravy first. Then place the tikkis on top of this. Now top it up with some coriander and mint chutney. Sweet chutney or sauce made out of tamarind and jaggery. If you don't have this, you can also replace it with honey. Now garnish with finely chopped onions, finely chopped tomatoes, some save or mixture, finely chopped coriander leaves, a few pomegranate kernels, a pinch of chaat masala. Now for that extra crunch, add crushed papdi. Instead, I'm adding here cornflakes. This is a wholesome meal in itself. Instead of snacks, you can also have this for your dinner. Serve this warm. I hope you all liked this video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.